Hi guys, today we're going to go ahead and learn how to root the OnePlus 2 on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Let's go ahead and do this, baby. Alright guys, the first thing you will need to do is put it into fast boot mode. Go ahead and power off your phone. You don't have to do any of that Android USB debugging BS. Power off your phone, hold down volume up and the power button. Alright, until it says fast boot mode, let go of both buttons. Connect it to your computer via the USB Type-C cable. Alright, let's go to our computer. And first thing you want to do is download a bunch of files. Go to my new site, OnePlus2root.com. Alright, this site will have everything you need. And what we're going to do is go to CWM twerp recovery for OnePlus 2 at the top here. And go ahead and download these 4 files, the twerp recovery for OnePlus 2, fastboot.zip for all Windows, Mac, Linux, OnePlus 2 Android USB drivers, and Super SU. I've already downloaded all these files. To download these files is really simple. Just wait 5 seconds. Go ahead and reveal the code. Enter the CAPTCHA. Alright. And then hit the download button down here. So something like shoe polish. Alright, and return to page and hit the download button. That will get you all of the files you need. Very simple to do. Once you have all the files downloaded, it should be all in your downloads folder. So go ahead and open up your downloads folder. Should be same for also Mac and Linux. You should find 4 files downloaded here. Go ahead and extract fastboot.zip. Go ahead and double click and extract all. Go ahead and extract, and this should create a new folder called fastboot under downloads. Alright, you can go ahead and click that away. Go back to the downloads folder. You're going to also unzip the USB driver.zip. Go ahead and extract all, extract, and that's pretty much done. You should have a folder called USB_driver with the driver files. Go back to the downloads folder. Do a right click on OnePlus 2 twerp.img. Do right click, copy. Go into your fastboot folder, do right click, paste. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and check if you have the proper USB drivers installed. Go ahead and open up your control panel. For Linux and Mac, you don't need drivers. This is only for Windows. Go into hardware and sound, go into device manager. If you don't know how to get into this, just Google how to get into device manager for your Windows. I'm using Windows 8.1, by the way, 64-bit. Alright, you should see something like Android ADB interface here if you have proper device drivers installed. If you don't, like obvious to me, I'll have an exclamation mark with Android. Go ahead and double click. We're going to go ahead and update the driver. Now this is really important. Follow along exactly how I do it. Browse my computer for software. And then let me pick from a list. A lot of people do the first one and then the Windows sometimes give you error and you can't install it. So choose let me pick from a list of device drivers on my computer, and also choose show all devices. Hit next. Have disk. Hit browse. Go into your download folder, into the USB driver folder, and you should find Android_WinUSB.inf. Open that. Hit OK and choose Android ADB interface. Hit next. Say yes. Don't worry about the driver warning. It's just BS. Close, and you should have Android ADB interface. Yay. Don't worry about the Samsung Android phone. That's because I had Samsung USB driver installed and it messes with the names. But so long as you have Android ADB interface right there, you should be good to go. You can close out of these windows. Next, what we're going to do is go ahead and unlock the bootloader. So we're going to have to open up a command prompt. So go into Start for Windows, type CMD under Search. For Mac or Linux, open a terminal. If you don't know how to do that, again, Google how to open terminal in Mac or Linux or Ubuntu. All right, next, what we're going to do is type a bunch of commands. If you're using Mac or Linux, I have the substitute code you have to enter for Mac or Linux. So go ahead and follow the video along with the substitutes and use the substitute instead of the one I'm using for Windows. If you have Windows, you can go ahead and straight follow along. All right, go ahead and type CD downloads. Hit enter. Go ahead and type CD space fastboot. Alright, this will get you into the fastboot directory. Next, we're going to go ahead and type fastboot space OEM unlock. This is the scariest part. This will unlock your phone. Go ahead and do that. Alright, and that will reboot your OnePlus 2. and you will see that unlock will erase user data, continue. That's what it says right there. All right, go ahead and just hit the power button. All right, that will just unlock the bootloader. It says wiping, please wait. Now you may be in Chinese, don't worry about it. Just hit the power button, don't hit anything else. When you see that screen, just hit the power button. When I first did it, it came up in Chinese. I was like, what's it supposed to press? All right, that should take about a couple minutes to reboot, and I'll be back when it reboots. All right guys, when it reboots, go ahead and just skip through everything or sign in, whatever you want to do. All right, but I'm going to skip anything to show you the tutorial as soon as possible, as quickly as possible. All right, once that's done, we're going to copy over file. Now, once that's done, we should be good to go. You should see that screen. Go back to your computer, go into your download folder again. We're going to go ahead and copy over one file, the update supersu blah blah.zip. Do a right click, copy on that file. Go to your OnePlus 2 internal storage. Do right click, paste, and this will paste the supersu zip file. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and unplug the USB cable again, and you're gonna want to power off, and we're gonna reboot it into fast boot mode and install twerp recovery. Go ahead and hold down volume up and the power button, all right, until it says fast boot mode. Congratulations. Plug in the USB cable again. All right, go back to the command prompt, type fastboot space flash space recovery space OnePlus 2 twerp.img. All right, go ahead and enter, and it should say okay. You should be good to go. Type this one more command, fastboot space erase cache. This helps the twerp you just installed from getting corrupted. Sometimes it happens. So if you do this, we'll get rid of that. All right, that's pretty much it. We're gonna go back to our phone. You can go ahead and unplug everything. We don't need it. Go ahead and hold down volume down and the power button, okay? And just hold them together until it resets. And this will enter you into the new twerp recovery you just installed. All right, wait. When you see the logo, let go of the volume down button, but keep holding down the power button until you see twerp recovery. Once you see the screen, you should be good to go. Swipe to unlock. For those of you who want to boot into twerp, you can do the same thing. Just power off your phone, hit the volume down and the power together, and then let go of the volume down and keep holding down the power button, and you'll get into twerp. All right, go to install. Go ahead and go down to update supersu blah blah.zip that you just copied over. Swipe to confirm flash, and this will root your phone, reboot system, and it may ask you to disable stock recovery placed during system boot. Do disable it. That'll help you against twerp getting written over by the system. That's pretty much it, guys. We'll let it reboot and check that we have supersu, and also check that we have full root. So I'll be back. All right, my phone rebooted pretty quickly, and we'll go here, go check out supersu. And if you don't get any errors, everything's working. It does ask you to update SU binaries. Go ahead and say yes and choose normal. If it hangs, go ahead and reboot the phone and try again like 2 or 3 times, and it will work eventually. That's pretty much it. Let me go ahead and download an app to check I have full root. All right, go ahead and download Titanium Backup app from the Play Store. It's a free app. It's an awesome app for backing up and restoring apps. It also backs up your app data along with the app. Go ahead and open, and boom shakalaka, baby. That's how you root OnePlus 2. Anyway, thanks guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, Facebook, or Google+, Instagram. And I'll see you guys soon. As always, I'll stay on Android.